Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating coins in American history, the 1943 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln Penny. This coin is unique because it was minted during World War II, a time when the United States needed copper for the war effort. Because of this, the mint made a significant change in the metal used to produce pennies. Instead of the usual bronze, which is mostly copper, the 1943 pennies were struck on steel planchets and coated with zinc. These coins are often called steel cents or steelies. They have a distinct silver-gray appearance and, unlike regular copper pennies, they are magnetic. They also weigh slightly less than the copper pennies of previous years, about 2.70 grams. Most 1943 pennies, whether minted in Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco, are steel. However, a few extremely rare pennies were accidentally struck on leftover copper planchets from previous years. These off-metal pennies are exceedingly rare and highly valuable today. For example, there is only one known 1943 D penny struck on copper, which is sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. These rare coins are the holy grail for collectors and are worth far more than any regular steel penny. Now, let's talk about mint marks. A coin with a D under the date was minted in Denver. Coins without a mint mark were produced in Philadelphia. In 1943, most pennies from both mints were steel. If you find a 1943 penny with a D or no mint mark, but it is copper, that is a potential off-metal error coin, which would be extremely valuable. But such coins are extremely rare and require careful authentication. So, how much are 1943 pennies worth today? The value depends on the type of metal, the mint mark, the condition, and whether it is a common steel coin or a rare error. Common circulated 1943 steel pennies are worth only about 10 cents to 50 cents in the collector's market. Uncirculated steel pennies, or those in higher grades, may fetch $1 to $10. Very high-grade, gem-quality steel pennies may sell for higher prices, depending on market demand. However, if you are lucky enough to own a genuine 1943 copper penny, especially one with a D mint mark, the value skyrockets. These rare copper pennies have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and in some cases, close to $500,000, depending on their condition and certification. If you think you have a rare 1943 penny, there are a few tests you can do. First, check if the coin is magnetic. Steel pennies will stick to a magnet, while copper pennies will not. Second, weigh the coin. A steel penny weighs about 2.70 grams, while a copper penny weighs approximately 3.1 grams. Third, examine the color. Steel pennies have a silver-gray color, whereas copper pennies are reddish-brown. If your coin passes these initial checks, it is highly recommended to send it to a professional grading and authentication service, such as PCGS or NGC. This is very important because many counterfeit or copper-plated steel pennies exist on the market. It is important to remember that while 1943 steel pennies are common and their value is modest, the rare copper 1943 pennies are extremely valuable due to their scarcity and historical significance. Collectors highly prize these rare coins, and they are considered one of the most exciting error coins in United States history. Collectors often look for additional factors, such as the coin's condition, luster, and absence of scratches or corrosion. Coins that are well preserved, with minimal wear and strong details, can significantly increase in value. Certified coins that have been graded by a professional service provide additional confidence to buyers and often command higher prices in auctions or private sales. If you are a coin collector or a hobbyist, 1943 pennies offer an interesting opportunity to learn about wartime minting, error coins, and historical shifts in coin production. Even the common steel pennies tell a story about the resourcefulness of the United States during World War II, while the rare copper errors are reminders of the tiny mistakes that can turn an ordinary item into a valuable treasure. In conclusion, the 1943 1-cent coin is a fascinating piece of history. Steel pennies are common but still interesting for collectors, while the rare copper pennies are extremely valuable and highly sought after. If you ever find a 1943 penny in your pocket change, do not ignore it. Test it with a magnet, check its weight, and examine the color. If it is copper and appears to be in good condition, consider having it authenticated by a professional. This coin could be a rare treasure waiting to be discovered. Today we are going to explore a small but fascinating coin from the United States, the 2009 1-cent penny. This coin comes in two main types, one minted in Denver, marked with a D, and one minted in Philadelphia, which has no mint mark. While it may look like a simple penny, 2009 was a special year in American coin history because it marked the 200th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. To celebrate this bicentennial, the U.S. Mint issued 4 different reverse designs of the penny, each depicting a distinct stage of Lincoln's life, including his birth and early childhood, formative years, professional life, and presidency. All coins still have the familiar Lincoln portrait on the obverse side, and the only difference is the mint mark indicating where the coin was produced. The 2009 pennies were made with the standard copper-plated zinc composition that has been used since 1982. Millions of each variety were minted, so most 2009 pennies are common in circulation and not inherently rare. Despite this, they are still highly collectible because of the historical significance of the bicentennial series and the special designs. Collectors are particularly interested in coins that are in excellent condition or have unique features, such as errors or special strikes. The condition of the coin is a key factor in determining its value. A coin in fine condition, meaning it has some wear, but the main details are still visible, can have a slightly higher value than face value, although most circulated 2009 pennies remain quite common. It is important to note that error coins or coins with unusual characteristics can fetch higher prices in the market, but these cases are relatively rare. For standard circulated 2009 pennies, whether from Denver or Philadelphia, the value in today's market is usually modest. Most fine condition coins are worth anywhere from a few cents above face value up to about $1 if sold individually. Uncirculated coins or coins in mint state condition, which have sharp details and no wear, can be worth between $1 and $5 depending on appearance and demand among collectors. Coins with exceptional characteristics, such as proof-like strikes, rare errors, or certified high-grade coins, may reach higher values. But such coins are not typical and should not be expected for every 2009 penny. It is also worth noting that many online claims about 2009 pennies being extremely valuable are often exaggerated or refer to unusual error coins, not standard circulation coins. Realistically, a 2009 penny in fine condition, whether with a Denver mint mark or no mint mark, is mostly a piece of history rather than a high-value investment. However, owning one is still exciting because it commemorates Abraham Lincoln and marks a special moment in U.S. coinage. Collectors should handle their coins carefully, store them properly in albums or capsules, and avoid exposure to moisture to preserve their condition. If someone believes they have a coin with special attributes or exceptionally high quality, they may consider professional grading, which can verify its authenticity and condition for resale or collection purposes. For anyone who wants to explore their 2009 pennies further, it is interesting to examine each of the 4 reverse designs and understand which part of Lincoln's life they represent. These pennies are more than just small change. They tell a story about one of America's most important historical figures and the country's numismatic history. While the average coin may not be worth much in terms of dollars, the historical and educational value remains significant. Collectors often focus on condition, rarity, and unique features to determine the value of any coin, and this applies to the 2009 pennies as well. Circulated coins in fine condition generally stay close to face value, whereas uncirculated or specially struck coins may achieve modest premiums. It is always wise to manage expectations realistically. Research current market prices and be aware of exaggerations in online coin listings. In conclusion, 2009 pennies, whether with a Denver mint mark or no mint mark, are a fascinating part of American coin history due to their bicentennial reverse designs celebrating Abraham Lincoln's life. Most coins in fine condition are worth only slightly above their face value, while better preserved or special coins may attract collectors' attention and higher prices. The key takeaway is that these coins are not automatically rare or highly valuable, but they are collectible, historically significant, and a fun way to connect with U.S. numismatic heritage. So, if you find a 2009 penny in your collection or in your pocket, appreciate its story, check its condition carefully, and if it happens to be uncirculated or a special variety, consider its potential value among collectors. Handle your coins with care, store them properly, and enjoy owning a small piece of history that represents one of the most famous figures in American history. Today, we are talking about the United States of America 1-cent coin from 2009 without any mint mark, a coin that many collectors search for because the 2009 pennies were released with special Lincoln anniversary designs. And even in fine condition, these coins still attract interest in today's market. The 2009 1-cent coin without mint mark was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, and the absence of mint mark simply confirms that it is a regular Philadelphia issue. But collectors still check these coins carefully because some varieties, errors, and design types can increase their value. The 2009 Lincoln penny was issued in 4 different reverse designs representing different stages of Abraham Lincoln's life, including the birth and early childhood in Kentucky design, the formative years design, the professional life design, and the presidency design. And even though most of these coins in circulated or fine condition are very common, their historical theme keeps them popular. In today's market, a normal 2009 no mint mark Lincoln cent in fine condition is generally worth around 1 cent to a few cents, and sometimes up to 10 to 25 cents if the coin is kept in clean, attractive condition with sharp details. But ordinary circulated pieces usually do not carry big premium because millions were produced. However, collectors still look for errors such as doubling, off-center strikes, die cracks, and misaligned dies. And if any such error is present, the value can jump from a few dollars to even $20 or more depending on the type and severity of the error. Even though the standard 2009 penny is common, many collectors like to keep full sets of all 4 2009 designs, and having clean and well-preserved examples makes the set more valuable for personal collections. If your coin has smooth surfaces, clear lettering, and no major scratches, it ranks nicely in fine condition and can still sell for a small premium online or in local coin groups. The 2009 cent also marks 100 years of the Lincoln cent tradition, and this historic background adds sentimental worth, even if monetary value remains small for regular pieces. For anyone collecting American coins, checking 2009 pennies is always interesting because you might unexpectedly find a better grade or variety that could be worth more. Overall, a 2009 USA 1-cent coin without mint mark in fine condition holds basic face value with very small collector value today. But its historic designs, anniversary theme, and potential for error varieties make an interesting coin to examine and keep safely in your collection. Collectors often underestimate how important condition can be for a simple 1-cent coin, because even a 2009 penny without mint mark can look much more attractive and collectible when it is stored properly, kept away from moisture, and protected inside a small plastic holder or album page, which helps preserve its original surface and slows down fading or dark spots that usually form over time. Although most 2009 Lincoln cents do not have high monetary value, they still carry educational and historic significance, especially for new collectors who want to understand how American coins reflect national history, major events, and important personalities. The designs of the 2009 series were created to honor Abraham Lincoln's life journey, and each reverse design tells a small story from his childhood, learning years, hard-working adult life, and presidential leadership. So owning all 4 designs gives collectors a complete visual representation of Lincoln's timeline. Many people keep these coins as souvenirs because they were released only for 1 year and mark the 200th anniversary of Lincoln's birth, which means the 2009 penny will always have a special place among modern U.S. coins. When you look closely at your coin, pay attention to details like the clarity of Lincoln's portrait, the sharpness of the reverse design, and any unusual marks that could hint at a mint error, because these details can be the key to finding something worth more than expected. On online marketplaces, coin groups, and collector forums, there are always buyers looking for clean and appealing examples of 2009 no mint mark pennies for their personal sets. And even though the price remains small, the interest in these coins continues steadily because of their design variety. If your coin looks better than average, it might catch the attention of someone building a high-quality circulated set, and even a simple 1-cent coin can become a meaningful part of a larger collection. Holding on to these coins also helps beginners learn how to grade coins by comparing fine, very fine, extremely fine, and uncirculated conditions, making the 2009 penny a good learning tool. With time, Some collectors believe that anniversary coins like this one may gain more appreciation, especially if preserved well, and while there is no guarantee of high future value, the historical connection ensures that these coins will always remain interesting pieces in American numismatic history. Whether you keep it for value, learning, or collection building, your 2009 No Mint Mark Lincoln cent remains a simple yet meaningful reminder of the story of one of America's most legendary leaders, and inspecting its condition carefully allows you to enjoy the true beauty of this small but significant coin.